Hey, at Gotham, we always have contests going with great prizes. You have until November 15th to apply for our script writing scholarship for writers of color. Winners get 2 10-week workshops, 2 intensives, a 12-hour mentorship, and final draft software, an amazing package. You have until the end of November to enter our Coming of Age First Line contest. Winner gets a free class. And of course, we've got our monthly Twitter contest where you write from an assigned prompt. Winner gets a free class. For example, a recent prompt was Kid Stuff. The winning entry by @Sismida by the Bay. Daisy yawned at the dollhouse, electric car, and life-sized stuffed giraffe. Hours after she disappeared, her parents found her in the garden playing with lizards.